Hi guys, Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we're in this fabulous laundry room. And today I'm going to discuss ways that you can enhance your laundry setting area for different things. So everyone loves a good drying rack. Most of us have like a little rack and we put hangers, but how luxury is this? To just find a space in a corner and create this kind of shelving pullouts like this for your laundry to just hang and dry. So cute. They're adjustable slats, so you can move depending on how much you have to air dry and hang, and then you put them on there and then tuck them back in like so and let them dry. Super fabulous, super fancy. Love, love. That's Fancy Fridays for today. Hope everyone is living just fancy.